We are with Evelyn and Finn, and we're back with more science experiments.
Sick.
This science experiment is so much fun, and it doesn't take long to make. Before we show you how to make this lava lamp, I would like to ask you a few questions. My first question: why don't all the liquids mix together? Followed by my second question: did you notice that the water and the oil are separated? And look at those beads. They're floating on top of the water. Why is that? Step 1. Add baby oil or cooking oil to your jar. Fill your jar about 2/3 of the way with oil. Fill the rest of the way with water. Add about 8 to 10 drops of food coloring. We chose to use red food coloring for our Valentine's Day lava lamp. You may also pre-mix your food coloring with the water if you wish to do so. Break up your Alka-Seltzer tablets into small pieces. Add them to your lava lamp and watch what happens. Now is a good time to answer those questions. Why don't all the liquids mix together? And how come the water and the oil separated? This all has something to do with density. Liquids are made up with different numbers of atoms and molecules. In some liquids, these atoms and molecules are packed together more tightly, resulting in a denser or heavier liquid. Now, for the chemical reaction. When two substances combine, the tablet and the water, they create a gas called carbon dioxide, which is the bubbling you see. These bubbles carry the color water to the top of the oil, where they pop, and then the water falls back down again. This reaction will last several minutes, and once it wears out, just add another tablet. We decided to add some heart confetti. Well, this is a Valentine science experiment after all. Let's once again add that Alka-Seltzer tablet and watch what happens. Remember, break your Alka-Seltzer tablet up into small pieces and add them one at a time. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of water, half a cup of glue. You may use clear glue or white glue, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a tablespoon of saline solution. Mix all the ingredients together, cover it, and let it sit for one day. Feel free to add glitter or confetti to your slime. We ended up adding heart confetti to ours. However, it would have stuck a lot better if we added it before the saline solution. All right, you two, I'm gonna show you some Valentine's Day pictures, and you have to tell me, first off, what the picture is, And then what color you think it's going to turn once we place it in the water. Here's your first one.
Maybe it's pink and yellow.
Pink and yellow? And what is it? What do you think this is a picture of?
A heart.
What was it?
It's a box of chocolates.
It is a box of chocolates. Here's the next picture. What do you think this is?
Pink and white.
You think it's going to be pink and white? But what is it? What's it a picture of?
I think it's a glass purple and white.
Purple and white? Okay.
Oh, it's pink.
Pink and white. But what is it?
It's a bottle.
A bottle.
Yeah, with flowers.
A bottle with flowers?
Yeah.
Well, let's see. This is the last picture. What is it? Pink and red? What? What's the picture of?
Heart.
A heart. What color do you think it's going to be, Evelyn?
Pink and white.
Pink and red as well? Let's find out. For this activity, you will need paper towel, a permanent marker, washable markers, water, and a tray. Take 2 paper towels and fold it in half, like a card. Take a permanent marker and draw an image on the top layer of the folded paper towel. Now go to the second layer, the bottom layer, and start adding colors and designs. If you are adding words, you might want to trace the words in permanent marker. This will help it stand out a lot better. Now fold your paper towel so you can see only the top layer and add it to the water. As the water soaks through the 2 layers of paper towel, the color from the bottom layer will appear through the top layer, making it look like the colors appeared by magic. Please like and subscribe to see more videos just like this one.